in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and ZIP files on your POCO X4 GT. So in order to do this, we'll need to download the RAR app, and we've shown you how to do that in our other video. Now let's locate the files that we want to unpack, and mine are located in the CIM and then camera. Here's a camera.rar, and now we can approach it multiple ways in order to unpack it, but I'm just going to show you the simple way. So simply select this and click on this RAR file, click on this arrow pointing up. Here select browse and pick where the files you want to go. So for me it's going to be movies folder. Click OK to save that, and then change any of these options however you like. Select OK, and your files will be extracted into the movies folder like this. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.